Good day everyone. Good day to you, ma'am. Today we are going to present the viral pistachio chocolate craze. Part 1, Understanding Demand. What caused the sudden increase in demand for pistachios? The sudden increase in demand was caused by a viral pistachio-filled chocolate bar from Dubai that gained a massive attention on TikTok and other social media platforms. As more people saw and wanted to try this product, global demand for pistachios surged almost overnight. Number 2. Which curve shifted, demand or supply, and in which direction? The demand curve shifted to the right, indicating an increase in demand for pistachios due to viral trend. Demand curve shifted to the right, indicating an increase in demand for pistachios due to viral trend.
For question number 2, draw a sample graph showing the demand shape of a pistachio due the white top chocolate trend part B, understanding the supply. Here is the graph. Question number 4, why can pistachio supply demand increase to meet rising demand? Because pistachio are agricultural products, trees require use to natures and harvesting occurs only during specific seasons. Therefore, supply cannot quickly adjust to sudden demand increases.
Number 5. How do long production cycles of potassium tree affect market response? Long production cycles make the supply inelastic and short run. Producers cannot quickly grow and harvest more potassiums, which shows down the market's ability to respond to higher demand and keeps prices eliminated temporarily. Question number 6. What happened to the equilibrium price and quantity of potassiums when demand rises sharply? The equilibrium price increases because demand rises faster than supply. The equilibrium quantity also increases slightly but not much since supply is limited.
Question number 7. If supply remains flat in the short run, what problem arises in a market? As storage occurs, the quantity demand exceeds the quantity supply. This leads to high pricing, cushioning, and possible substitution with alternative product part the critical thinking. Question number 8. How might chocolate procedure respond to high pistachio price? Give the last two strategies. Use substitute, replace pistachio with cheaper nuts like almonds or hazelnut. Adjust marketing or product mix, promote non-pistachio or similar portions to maintain profit margin. Alternative strategies increase price, light or harder cost.
Number 9. If demand for pistachio chocolate decreases after the trend fades, what will happen to pistachio prices? Pistachio prices will fall because demand decreases. With supply unchanged, sellers will lower prices to sell their remaining stock, returning the market closer to its previous equilibrium. 10. How social media trends create long-term changes in markets, or are they usually short-term? Most social media trends cause short-term changes in markets because consumer interest often fades quickly once the trend passes. However, in some cases, if the product builds strong brand loyalty or becomes a staple, it can lead to long-term market changes.